And what I wanted to say is, in Tibet, olden times, even the picture in the statue of Vajrayogini cannot show. Very simple. Why? It's a naked baby. In Tibet, there are many people who have a lower level mind. When they see Vajrayogini, they get shocked. They don't understand why. Why is it naked baby? Why like that? Why like that? They don't understand. They don't understand the meaning. So you keep it covered, not that something's wrong, to protect their mind. Example, if a husband and wife is in the bedroom doing their thing, you open the door for your child to see. Is there something wrong with what you're doing? No. Or why do you hide it from the child? They don't understand yet. That's all. That's right. Same thing with Vajrayogini. Same thing. It's out of compassion you cover it, not out of fear. Not because you're doing something wrong. She's a Buddha. The first time I brought Vajrayogini home to my stepmother is a picture. I was very, very young. 11 or 12. The first time I got it from one of my Dharma friends in America. It's a 5R size Vajrayogini. When I showed my mother, she freaked out. Oh, yes. She said to me, don't keep it. It's a weird Tibetan god. It's not a Buddha, but she's Buddhist. She's not a Buddha, cannot be Buddhist, not like that. Don't keep it out, don't keep it here, it's not good. Take it out. And she was very scared. And she said that to me to protect me. But she doesn't know anything. So what I did is I keep that. I told my friends, they said, oh, you shouldn't show your mother. I said, why? They said, her level is not there yet. It's not she's bad. She doesn't understand. I said, if she says like that, is it bad for her? They said, no. Of course it will come. Vajrayogini is very compassionate. So I kept it always away and secretly away. Then later I talked to my mother again and again. I explained again. Later she didn't pray it, but she said, okay, you keep it. She understood. So later I kept it open. When she was in the good mood, when she was in the bad mood, I put it away. Yeah, all my statues and pictures, because she didn't want me to pray.